Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write on the line in the word without that line moving. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my word. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use, and without line moving you can write on the line. Okay, so first method is first method is just type your content like this. Okay, and here you need to line. If I use the underscore like this, and if I try to write something, you can see this line is moving. There is a two method you can use. I will show you one by one. Okay, there is actually three method. Okay, type the underscore. This is the first method. Okay, and type your answer like this. Now select that all line with that content, and here in home you go to the underline. Now you can see this. Now you can continue to write with the line. Okay, you can see this line is moving, but I will show you another method. You can use it. The another method, you can draw the line. Okay, go to the go to the insert, go to the shapes, and here you can use that line. Just select that and select your area where you want this line. You need to hit the shift key and hold it. Okay, while you drag this line, click the shift button, hold it, and now you can drag that line. Okay, once you hit the shift key, then the line will be draw even very straight. You can see. Now just keep the line length what you want and release. You can also change that line color, and here you can change that line width. Okay, now just keep the cursor, hit the space button, and keep the cursor in middle and write your content like this. Okay, this is the second method. Now I'm going to show you the third method. Okay, third method also very simple. Okay, type your underscore. Okay, now go to the insert. Here go to the text box, go to the draw text box in down, and just draw the text box like this. Now go to the shape format, double click on that text box, then this shape format will be visible to you. Now go to the shape fill, make sure click no fill. In shape outline, click on no outline. Now you can write into the text box. You can decrease the size of this text box like this. Okay, I write your text. Okay, so I just write simple text like 25. You can just change this text box size. Okay, now keep the cursor on this text box. Okay, and make sure this icon visible to you. Once this icon is visible, just click and hold and drag it to that top of the line. Okay, so now you can see this also you can do. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.